Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this part is a slip design and how to this part is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a hydraulic pump project and all part is one by one is a drawing here, and this body is a slip design and 2D drafting is also available here. This is a top view and this is a front view and this is a right view, and this body is a isometric view. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this is a software, is a SolidWorks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a drawing here, and also use a chamfer. This is a 0.5 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and chamfer is also available here. Okay, this body is designed and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, today discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. At first select a part and going to this some setting is very important. At first this setting is plain white, and going to this option and going to this document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and some 2D drafting is available here, and this is a help of this body's design. Okay, and okay, at first drawing this body, and this is a this plane is select here at first, and plane is a front plane is better, and this is a circle is drawing here, and this circle is red, diameter is 18 millimeter, and this thickness is 15.5 millimeter, and this is a fillet is used here. This is a chamfer and 0.5 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and this is a offset is 1 millimeter is used here. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane is perfect, and drawing a circle is this. Okay, and drawing a smart dimension is a 18 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, diameter is perfect and correct, and use a offset, and offset is 1 millimeter is perfect, and select this, and direction is a upward is perfect and correct. This is not a use a reverse, this is a outward is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a use a offset, and select a extrude boss base is apply here, and this thickness is a 15.5 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a drawing this okay, and all point is one by one is used here easily, and use this 0.5 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and this use a chamfer, and chamfer is 0.5 millimeter and 45-degree angle is perfect, and select a inside, and this click OK. Okay, all is drawing here easily and clearly, and going to this material is apply here. Select a metal is a brush, and brush is a polished brush is a perfect. Okay, this is a material is a perfect and correct. Okay, and okay, all point is a learner and all point is complete. I hope you will learn all point is a learner easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you.